Choose any one person with whom you want to heal a relationship. Next 1 month, every morning, give 1 minute for them. Just while you finish your meditation, bring them on the screen of your mind. If you're not able to bring them on the screen of your mind, look at their photo and do it, and just connect to God and just radiate one powerful thought. You are a powerful soul, you're a pure soul. I accept you, you accept me, and we have a beautiful relationship. 5 lines. Repeat. You're a powerful soul. You're a pure soul. I accept you as you are. Boliye. I accept you as you are. You accept me as I am. We share a beautiful relationship. And after doing this in the morning, not create any other different vibration thought during the day. And जब भी वो याद आ जाए, same thought. I accept you, you accept me, we share a beautiful relationship. After 1 month, 110%, there has to be a change. Provided there was nothing else created. Nothing else created. Power of thoughts. We've explored power of everything in the world, energies. The only energy we've not yet experimented with is this energy, power of my every thought. We can heal any relationship. And यही इसका opposite कर लो. तुम मुझे समझते नहीं, मैं तुमको नहीं समझ सकता. हमारे बीच तो कुछ ठीक ही नहीं है. बोल दो 1 महीना, किसी के लिए भी बोल दो. किसी के लिए भी बोल दो. The best relationship you have today, say negative 5 thoughts for them for the next 1 month and see the relationship after 1 month. 50 to 60 or 50 to 40 happening from here. Happening from here. So who's the creator of my relationships? Who's the creator of my relationships? Me. One person can create a conflict in a relationship, and only one person is need to finish the conflict. To resolve a conflict, you don't necessarily need to sit and talk to people. कई बार हम कहते हैं ना, come let's talk. वो let's talk में बहुत सारी कई बार और conflicts हो जाती हैं. Sometimes you just don't need to talk. Just send them. Just keep sending. We've all heard about Reiki. We've all heard about pranic healing. We've all heard about distant healing. Does it work? How is it that somebody else sitting in another city is going to create a thought for me and the ache and pain of my body is going to disappear? Does it work? So if the ache and pain of my body can disappear by somebody else thinking nicely about me, can't the ache and pain of my mind disappear by somebody else thinking nicely about me? Simple, that's meditation. But you have to do it consistently for one person. You can do it for your children. You can do it for your children. Instead of repeatedly saying the same thing to them every day, and then they're saying, don't nag me, don't trouble me, leave me, go out of the room. It only creates more conflicts. Just radiate every day, every day, every day. See the magic. But to take care that what we radiate is going to be, you are. You are punctual. Not you should be punctual, you could be punctual, you will be punctual, you may be punctual. No, you are. I am, you are. Sankalp. Sankalp. Sankalp se siddhi. If there's anyone with whom you've not been talking for some time, गांठ को खोल देना आज. Never have entangled relationships. It's the easiest way to deplete yourself. We keep thinking ill about them, they keep thinking ill about us. Energy field keeps going. I am going to come home in the evening with my aura white. So what do we have to do? Be with people, work with people, but not think critical or judgmental about anybody. Compassion and understanding, soul on a journey, different sanskars. Could be from an earlier life, could be from family, could be from environment. I will only bless them and help them to open their We saw in the morning, just sitting for 5 minutes and creating a thought, I'm a loveful soul, the environment of this hall was different. See, now the environment is different. So if we can change the energy of a complete hall, can I not change the energy of another person? So spirituality is science. It's a science of that what is not visible. But it requires experimentation. And when you experience, then that becomes the truth for you. And that is the truth which will never change after that. And then you go on and on and on experimenting more.